I'm going to help you learn how to use the basics of Discord. First thing first, you're going to want to download, log in, and launch your Discord. Once it pops up, it's going to look something like this for those of you that are already in the chat. If you are not, it will bring you immediately to your direct messages, and from there, you will add a server, and I can send you the link to get into our class server. So moving forward, your direct messages are where you will find individual conversations between you and another person. As you can see here, these are all mine. Across the top, this is where you'll see only your online friends. If that's what you have it set to, you can see all online, offline, and what they're doing. If you move over to pending, this is where you can see both pending friend requests and messages. And then your suggestions are just suggested friends. You can also add a friend manually if you have their Discord name. Moving over to the far left-hand side, mine looks a little bit different than yours because I use this a lot for gaming. That being said, you're going to find the channel that has this icon that says CPB Bootcamp SMs BC. Click on it, and it will bring you to our class channel. Here, this is where you can come to look through any of the channels. Everything you see here should be showing up on yours. If it's not, let me know. And then at the very bottom are our voice channels. So let's go through text channels first. Text channels have been broken down into individual channels. For different purposes. We have our note sharing channel. This is where you can come in. You can react if somebody sends a message. You can give them a thumbs up, a heart, question mark. There's other reactions you can add. Again, some of these reactions are from the voice channels or the other channels I am in, so you won't have access to them yourself. You can also reply directly to people in their messages. You can forward messages. Or if you click on more, you can copy the text, pin the message, create a thread, so on and so forth. Off to the right-hand side, as you can see our participant list. You will have access to see this as well. It's the member list, which you can find the icon up in the top right-hand corner. You don't have it, and you toggle over it, it'll say show member list. This is your member list. It will show you who's online, who's offline. You can see that I'm invisible. I have a crown because I am the server owner. I will have options that you guys will not due to me owning the server. You will not have these options, but you will have everything from here up. You can view somebody's profile, mention them in your message them directly, call them directly or individually, add a note that is only visible to you, change their nickname that you that will be visible to you only. You can invite them to other servers, add them as a friend, ignore them, or block them. You come to the little pin, you can find pinned messages in each chat. As of right now, in our note sharing section, we do not have any pinned messages. In the rules, though, it'll tell you that I've pinned this message so that if for any reason we chat in here, it is always going to be easy to find. Moving on, coming over to the voice channel, you can come in here and in the voice channel, the box will light up green for whoever's talking. You can mute yourself. That way, if you are talking to your spouse or doing something else or eating, you don't have to worry about anybody else hearing you. You can deafen yourself, which will automatically mute you as well, where you can't hear what's going on in the chat. You can share your camera. Mine is blocked, so you won't be able to see me at the moment. You can share your screen, the entirety of your screen. Select your different cameras if you have multiple cameras, or you can choose to only show certain applications. If you come down here to the little gear at the bottom, and you click user settings, this is where you can come to edit your account, the devices, authorized apps, everything that nature. Billing settings are for Nitro, which is a subscription. I do not pay for Nitro. What I use this for does not require me to have Nitro. It just gives you access to a little more, nothing that I think any of us will be needing. You can change the appearance of separate things within your app. You can log out here and go through privacy settings as well. If we are in class and you want to invite anybody, clicking on the two little people up here in that corner, the plus sign, you can copy our link and paste it into the chat or send it to whoever, and they can join our class chat. You can also do it from any of the channels as well. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or concerns or any thoughts you'd like to share, please feel free to reach out and let me know.